Hi folks, this is Calvin again. Hope you would have watched Zoho Creator's Getting Started video. If not, we strongly advise you to watch that before this one. In this demo, let's explore Deluge, the online scripting language facilitated by a drag and drop script builder. Let's log into Zoho Creator and start creating a simple feedback application. And let's incrementally add logics to make it a powerful bug tracker. Let's get started and name our application and also specify the form name as Submit Feedback and click Create Now. In this form, let's have an email ID field and let's make it mandatory. And let's have fields that are found in a typical feedback form, say category, with choices as feature request, bug report, usability, and general. And also add a comments field, a date field to register the issue filing, and let's make this field to be hidden. Since we've hidden the date field, let's see how this form will look for others. Let's copy and paste this URL on a different browser, and here we see the date field not showing up. Now the feedback application is ready for use. Let's add few logics to this using Deluge Script and see how a bug tracker application evolves out of this. To start with, let's set current date to submitted on field using Zoho variables. Zoho variables are dynamic variables such as current date, current time, login user, and the like. So, reverting back to edit mode, here we see script on add and script on edit. A script on add can be used at the time of record addition, and a script on edit can be used when a record is edited. Here we enter Script Builder, the drag and drop way of adding scripts. You can as well switch to free flow scripting to write Deluge syntax. These are the available preset functions for specific tasks. To set the current date for submitted on date field, let's drag and drop set variable function. Edit this to enter expression builder. Here are the available fields of our form. And here are the variables, collections, and functions. Let's select Zoho current date and click Done to proceed. Now, to set an email notification on record addition, let's select Actions after form submit. Drag and drop send mail task, and let's edit the same and set Zoho admin user ID for the mail recipient. Let's customize the subject line to convey a meaningful message. Say, for example, issue reported on 2nd June by Henry Matthews. Let's also customize the body of the email to contain user comments. Further, we will embed this form onto Henry Inc. website and submit an issue from there. Select Embed in your website option. Copy and paste the HTML code available here into a desired location of your HTML page. And here it is. And here's the email notification to the admin. For this evolving bug tracker application of Henry Inc., let's add the following. For this, let's create a form, module name, and enter scripting, GUI, and usability as values. Let's also create another form, team members, to add the support team. Let's have a name field and also a module field that will import data from module name form. Let's enter team members and also associate them with module names. Now the view shows team members associated with respective modules. Back to edit mode, let's add more fields to our feedback form. Let's have a lookup field, module name, importing data from module name form. And let's also hide it from the users. Let's also add another lookup field assigned to importing data from team member form. And again, hide this from the users. Let's have a simple drop-down field, status, with options open and closed, hide it, and let's preset the default value to be open. Now let's create a view for unassigned issues based on the submit feedback form. And let's restrict the display of records by setting a criteria that will display all open issues without an assigned team member. Let's also create another view for assigned issues based on the submit feedback form. That displays all open issues with an assigned team member. Now let's go to the live mode, and here we see the issue submitted by Henry Matthews. So as admin user, let me assign a module name and a support team member to resolve the issue. But irrespective of the module, all the support team members are listed here. But ideally, I would like to see team members specific to a particular module. To meet this complex need, we will populate assign to field based on module name. For this, let's add action script on field change for the module name field. And let's first clear assign to field values. Now, to populate assign to pick list with respect to module name, let's have a for each record control loop function, edit it, and select team member form, and let's declare member as collection row variable. Now, continue building the expression module equals module name. Let's drag and drop pick list that is to populate assign to pick list field on every for loop iteration. This will initiate a loop to populate assign to pick list according to the module selected by the user. Let's check if the script works. Now, assign to field values should change according to the module selected by me. The script works just fine. I'm seeing the lone team member for this particular module. Finally, let's set an email notification upon an issue being closed. For this, let's set action script for the status field. Drag and drop if control function, edit the same, and set the condition as status equals closed. Also, drag and drop send email task and set the recipient field as user's email ID. And customize the subject line and also the message body. Click done and save the script. Access the live mode to close the issue raised by Henry Matthews. Edit the record and change the status to closed. And here we see the email from admin. That's all folks. Try Deluge scripting for your needs and let us know your feedback. Visit zohocreator.com for more details.